Welcome to another session today, and we'll be looking at language development using can, be able to. We use can and be able to talk about a person's ability to do something. We can use it in the present, affirmative, and singular. For example, Mu'adh can speak many languages. This is present simple and it's affirmative, and we're only talking about Mu'adh, so it's a singular subject. We can also say Mu'adh is able to speak many languages. We use it in the present for the affirmative and plural. Muna and Sarah, this is where the plural is, the subjects are plural. Muna and Sarah can speak many languages. We can also say Muna and Sarah are able to speak many languages. In the past, we use able to, but for can, we use could. So we can say, when I was little, I could eat so many sweets. When I was little, I was able to eat so many sweets. These two sentences are in the past, and we've used be able to and could to talk about the ability of the subject in the past. We use can and be able to for a particular situation. For example, when I saw the dog, I wasn't able to move. And we can also say, Yara couldn't even eat when she was sick. These are particular situations. We use can and be able to for questions. In the present, we'll say, can you speak many languages? Are you able to speak many languages? And in the past, we can ask the question, could you solve the problem yesterday? Were you able to solve the problem yesterday? These are the present questions and the past tense questions for can and be able to. Okay, let's look at some rules that we can summarize in a few points. Number 1, we use can and able to in the present tense. Number 2, we use able to for the past tense as well. Number 3, we use could for the past tense of can. Number 4, we use the base form after can, could, and able to. For example, Mimi can get full marks in her exam. So we have get, which is the base form. We can also say Mimi is able to get full marks in her exam. So after able to, we have placed get, which is the base form. Excellent. Can you correct these sentences? Look at this sentence here. North are able to study on her own. Can you see the mistakes in this sentence? Did we use the verbs correctly? Of course, yes, we have mistake here with are. That's a mistake. And likewise, studies. That's also a mistake because North is singular. So we use North is. And we have able to, and after able to is the base form. So it should read, North is able to study on her own. Let's try again. Look at this sentence now. Ubaid can play football very well on school. There are a couple of mistakes in this sentence. Can you identify them? First of all, we have can played. So we want to talk about the past maybe. So maybe we can say could play. And after could is the base form play. Ubaid could play. Football very well on school. There's another mistake here. Can you identify that mistake? Yes, that's right. It should be at school. So the sentence should be Ubaid could play football very well at school. Excellent. This is how you use can, able to, and could in sentences.